Hi, dear customers. This is Casey from Guangzhou QLQ company. Today, we'd like to introduce one very new is the security zipper, or we say burglar-proof zipper. So now let me show you. It's different with the normal security zipper. Normal security zipper is a two-layer. One side with the zipper chain and another side with the zipper chain. Today, the zipper that I introduced you is just one layer with two monofilament chain. You can see inside has two monofilament chain. If I show you from here, it's more clearly. You can see one monofilament chain and here another monofilament chain. So this monofilament chain we use 4 needle, 8 pieces 7 thread to sew it. Back side have a 4 7 thread. Front side 2 pieces, 2 side, one side is 2 thread. So you can see even the middle of these two chain has a small tape with the hole already. One side with 2 holes, another side with 2 holes. Totally 4 holes, it means 4 thread. So it's very strong, very smooth for the luggage. The luggage, let me show you. Okay. The function is for the corner. Okay. Especially for the corner, will be lines very smooth, and it's with the security function. Before, people use double layer for here, okay, made a good quality trolley bag. But because when you do the on the corner, inside the tension and outside tension cannot be balanced because inside is more easy the tension. Okay, outside is more strong. So sometimes the slider will be stored in the middle. In the middle will be stored in the middle here. In order to solve this problem, so we made this zipper out. It's the very newest zipper and function lines very smooth. Let me show you. So I put the slider by this reverse way and the normal way. We made two quite of slider. You can see the slider is here. So we have a reverse slider. We also have the normal slider. Both of them we have. And you can see it lines very smooth. The test nipple is for running, go up and down. Running even more than 3,000 times already, it still runs very smooth. And the strength for this strength is more than 1,300 Newton. So we tested this many times already, and it's very good. Just maybe sometimes 1,200. Okay, but normally it's more than 1,300 Newton. It runs very smooth. So if you are interested for subsidies, new is the security, or we say burglar proof zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We are QQ company in Guangzhou City. Thank you.